Hello everyone. In today's video, we will explore how to use an easy and simple tool to select similar polygons or similar topology or group of polygons in an object. This helps save a lot of time when working with multiple similar parts. Let me explain with an example. You might be wondering what this is. So let me isolate, and you can see this is something like a roof ceiling, you can say something I want to create in a low poly building, and I need light emission on these parts. uh, I have to select all these parts in the ceiling, and I want to apply the light emission textures or material here. Let me isolate selection, and as you know, in the modify section here, by clicking this polygon button, by clicking this will enable polygon selection mode, by which we can click and select any polygon of the selected object. And for those who might not know the shortcut to access the polygon face selection tool, the shortcut is number 4 key on the keyboard. Please note, it's not the 4 button on the numpad side, but the 4 located above the alphabetic keys. To select multiple polygons, we usually hold on the control key and click on the polygons we want to select. And to select a loop of polygons, we select one polygon, hold control, and double click on the next polygon in the loop, and this selects the entire loop. Also if we select one polygon and then skip some polygons in its loop and double click on the next one, for example, I have selected this polygon and I am skipping these polygons in its loop, and I am double clicking on this one, and it selects all the polygons from the initially selected one to the last double clicked one. And I am sharing this information in case there are any beginner learners here who might not be familiar with these techniques. So now let's move toward the main part. Here the outer loop is very easy to select because it's complete loop, and I will click on one polygon, and while holding control I will double click on the next one, and it will select the complete loop. But these inner loops will need separate selections. You can see these inner loops need separate selection, and this can take a while. So here I will use a really helpful function. Since all these inner loops have the same topology, uh, and I will select one loop. For example, I am selecting this loop, and I will go over here modify selection under the modeling section, and I will click on similar, and you can see that all the polygons or topology similar to the selected one have been selected, but these few polygons are not selected. There might be a dimensional difference. Let me check. Yes, there is a dimensional difference here. No need to worry, I will select one of these then click on the similar button again, and all of them will be selected. Or you can do one more thing. I will select this loop, and you can do one more thing. Under similar button there is an arrow. You can uncheck face areas, and after, if you will select or click on this will ignore the dimensional differences. So by this way you can easily select the same topology of the object, and it will save a lot of time. And here I want to show you another example. Let's add a sphere and convert it to editable poly. This, so I have selected all the vertices of the sphere except the top and the bottom one. uh, yes, and now I will go to the chamfer and I will apply the chamfer and click OK. uh, you can see I have these polygons in the shape, uh, and if I will select one polygon, then I will go there. Let's check this again, and I will click on similar. You can see all the polygons on the of the same type get selected. So this is very helpful tool, and this will save a lot of time. I hope you have learned something from this video. Even if it's not a lot, surely it's something valuable. And I am planning to start a complete beginner series on 3ds Max very soon. I hope it will be helpful for beginner learners to learn something valuable. Thank you for watching the video, and we will see in the next video. Take care.